Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Move like this after eating. 6 simple movements that can change how your body feels for the rest of the day. You finish your meal, and within minutes something feels off. Your stomach feels heavy, your energy crashes, your mind feels foggy, and suddenly, you're craving sweets, even though you just ate. It's not laziness. It's not lack of willpower. It's your body struggling to process what you just consumed. Most people respond by staying still, sitting on the couch, scrolling on their phone, or drifting into a food coma. And that's exactly what makes the problem worse. Today on Health Fact 10M, I'll show you 6 very simple movements you can do after eating to help your body handle food more efficiently and feel better faster. You don't need to do all 6. You don't need equipment. And no, this is not intense exercise or running laps right after lunch. These are gentle, body weight movements that lightly activate your muscles, just enough to wake your system up and help your body put incoming energy to use. Before we get into the movements, let's quickly understand why moving after meals matters so much. Why moving after eating makes a difference. Reason 1. Your muscles help clear sugar from your blood. When you eat, especially foods like bread, rice, pasta, fruit, or sweets, your blood sugar naturally rises. That glucose needs somewhere to go. When you move your muscles shortly after eating, they act like sponges, pulling glucose out of the bloodstream and using it as fuel. Instead of sugar hanging around and causing energy crashes, your muscles put it to work right away. This reduces those uncomfortable spikes that leave you sleepy and sluggish. Simple movement turns your muscles into active helpers, not passive bystanders. Reason 2. Your body relies less on insulin. Insulin is the hormone that helps glucose enter your cells. But when insulin is constantly high over time, it can stress your system and reduce sensitivity. Here's the interesting part. Working muscles can absorb glucose with less dependence on insulin. Movement activates special glucose transport pathways inside muscle cells that don't require heavy insulin involvement. This gives your pancreas a break and helps support long-term metabolic balance. And the good news? You don't need intense workouts. Light to moderate movement is enough. Reason 3. It reduces post-meal discomfort. That heavy, sleepy feeling after meals isn't random. Digestion pulls blood toward your stomach and intestines. When you stay still, less blood reaches your brain and muscles, leading to fatigue and mental fog. Gentle movement redistributes blood flow throughout the body. You feel lighter, more alert, and far less tempted by sugar cravings caused by sudden energy dips. Reason 4. Timing matters. Blood sugar usually peaks about 60 to 90 minutes after eating. That window is your opportunity. Moving during this time allows muscles to intercept glucose before it creates problems. You don't need perfect timing. Any movement within the first 1 to 2 hours works well. What matters most is avoiding complete inactivity right after meals. Now, let's move into the 6 best movements for this moment. Movement 1. Marching in place. This is one of the easiest and most effective options. Marching activates large leg muscles while staying gentle on digestion. Stand tall. Lift one knee at a time to a comfortable height. Swing your arms naturally. Keep your core lightly engaged. March for 1 minute, rest for 30 seconds, and repeat 3 to 5 times. Avoid leaning forward or rushing. Smooth, controlled movement works best. Movement 2. Calf raises. Your calves help pump blood back toward the heart. That's why they're often called the body's second heart. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Hold onto a wall or chair for balance if needed. Rise onto your toes, pause briefly, then lower slowly. Do 15 to 20 repetitions for 3 to 4 sets. This improves circulation, reduces heaviness, and supports balance, especially as we age. Movement 3. Seated knee extensions. Perfect if you want to stay seated after eating. Sit upright in a chair with feet on the floor. Extend one leg until it's straight. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower slowly. Alternate legs for 12 to 15 repetitions per side, completing 3 to 4 sets. This activates the quadriceps, one of the largest muscle groups in the body, without compressing the stomach. Movement 4. Sit to stand from a chair. This is a powerful functional movement that activates glutes, thighs, and core. Sit with feet shoulder width apart. Lean slightly forward with a straight back. Stand up using your legs, then sit back down slowly. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions for 3 to 4 sets. This movement supports independence, strength, and energy control after meals. Movement 5. Light walking. Sometimes the simplest choice is the best one. A relaxed walk activates nearly every muscle in the lower body while remaining easy on digestion. Walk with good posture. Swing your arms naturally. Maintain a pace where you can still talk comfortably. Walk for 15 to 20 minutes. You can break it into shorter segments if needed. This gentle rhythm supports digestion, circulation, and mental clarity. Movement 6. Step-ups or stairs. If you have stairs available, use them. Step up with full foot contact. Push through your heel. Step down slowly and with control. Repeat 8 to 12 steps for 3 to 4 sets, resting briefly between rounds. This movement challenges multiple large muscle groups and increases glucose use efficiently. Moving after meals doesn't have to be complicated. It's about consistency, timing, and respecting how your body works. If you enjoyed this and want to learn more ways to protect your knees, joints, and energy, especially after 50, we've placed another helpful video on the screen right now. Thank you for watching, and I truly appreciate you spending this time with Health Fact 10M.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.